Hello viewers, welcome to Arts and Creative World. Wishing you happy Saraswati Puja. Today our project is how to make 3D Quilling Saraswati idol. Almost every Indian knows that who is Saraswati and why she is worshipped as a goddess. But who are not knows about her? Before starting, I want to tell them 2-3 lines about goddess. Saraswati is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, arts, music, learning, career. According to Hinduism, worshipping and Lord Saraswati increases and owns your skills. You become more talented, experienced and skilled. That's why the goddess of learning is worshipped among the students and learned who firmly follow all the customs to worship her. The festivities that go along with Saraswati Puja is a division of the social celebrations. That's it. In this video, I will show you how to make Quill Saraswati idol. Let's see. For this we need some 5mm and 3mm quilling paper, quilling needle, glue, pencil, black marker, tweezer, scissor, color brush, black, brown and golden acrylic color, lace, white cap paper, newspaper, ball chains, stone and bead chain, and some stones to decoration. Let's begin. First I am making face of Saraswati. For this I am taking peach color strips and here join total 15 strips together. Here I am using 5mm strips to make whole body of Saraswati. So tight coil is ready. Now I am shaping it dome using my fingers and create a base flat. Now adding little glue and spread it using brush. To make it stay at firm, let it dry. In the same way, I have created one more dome using golden color strips. For this also have used 15 strips. Now I'll connect both the domes each other. Golden dome will work as a crown of goddess. Now I am making body. For this I created 2 coils using 30 strips. This tight coil is made using peach color strips. I am shaping it little bit using dome. For this tight coil I am shaping it little deeper using my fingers. Add glue inside both the dome and spread it with the brush. Now I will connect both the domes each other like this. For the neck, I had created these tight coils using 5 strips of peach colors. Now I will connect all 3 parts together: body, neck and face. Hold it in some time for let it dry. Now I am making balm of body. For this making a tight coil using 22 strips. Now make a dome and press it like this for make this shape. Now add glue and spread it using brush. Then connect it with body like this. Hold it in some time for let it dry. Now I am making leg. For this make 4 tight coil. Now taking one and making it like this shape. Here I am using 10 strips of quilling paper. Then take another coil and make a cone like this way. When you make it first time, you use pencil. Here I am using 12 strips of quilling paper. Now add glue inside and spread it like this. Now all of part connect with body like this way. Follow the process. Now for the sari draping, I am taking white paper strips which measure 10 cm. And I am just folding it in half. Add glue inside this strip. I am connected from the center. In the same way, I have created some more strips. Now take a measure like this way. Then join the all of strip like this way to create pallu of sari. So this is done. Now I connecting the pallu like this. In the same way, I had joined more strips to make sari of goddess. Then that cutting it like this shape and connecting it like this way. It also creates same way and now connect it like this. For the patti pallu, I creating a frill using paper. Then it is connecting like this. See, sari draping is almost complete. Now I am connecting the lace inside, which create a pulse of sari. Look at this. Now I will show you how to create hands. For this, first I am taking golden color 5 mm strip and I have joined total 3 strips. Tight coil is ready. First time I am shaping it with my fingers. Then I am shaping it like this. Tap the top, that will be the sleeve of hand, and adding glue inside this. Now to create arm using 3 strips of peach color. Then to create hand I am taking 2 strips of peach color and making 1 tight coil again. Now insert the pencil through this and make a cone. Tap upper part of cone and add glue and spread it like this. Now to create palm and taking 2 strips of 3 mm peach color strip. First make a little loose coin. Add glue and pitch the coil like this to create a palm shape. Now I'll connect all the 4 parts together. All of hands are ready. Now I coloring the back part of the head using black acrylic color. Now I will show you how to create quilt hairs. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of 2 mm black color and first make a coil. Then just pull hair to little bit, twist it and curl whole strips. Go slowly to perfect curl strips. So that will be the hair. In the same way I have created lots of hairs. On this part connect hairs. Now I adding hair one by one. So by chance any part will be visible after adding hair, it should look like black. Now I am creating some design for mukut of goddess. Follow the process and watch what I doing. Here I am using 8 piece 3.5 cm of 3 mm strips. Now I am making 2 carry for decoration of mukut. For it I am taking 2 strip of golden color 3 mm strip which length is 30 cm. Make a loose coil. First make teardrop, then just twist it using your tweezer. So you will get carry shape. Now making for ear, I am taking half strip of 2 mm strip which length 15 cm. Make a palm shape like this. Now see, I am attaching all of hair and all parts of mukut, ears, ornaments also. Here I am drawing the eyes and lips of goddess using black marker. Now I am making Beena. For this I am create 2 tight coil using 22 strip which length 30 cm. Now make a little bit of dome using your fingers. and again create a dome, shaping it little deeper using cooling mold. Add glue and spread it using dust. Now attach both the dome like this. In the same process, I was making a small dome using 12 strips. Now take a newspaper and cut it like this. Then it quilled by the stick. Then cut it half of stick. Take it and add glue to side of stick. Now attach it with domes like this way. Then coloring and design it like this. Now attach the small domes like this. See, our Bina is complete. For book, I am taking a 2 cm width of strip and fold it like this. Then cut it like this. Now ready our book. Now I am making rosary using silver color ball chain. All of accessories are ready. Now I am all of settings with hands. Is it looking very pretty and gorgeous? Right? Here I am designing the sari of Saraswati using stones. Here I am attached the foot also. So friends, to make this video longer, I split it into 2 parts. In the second part, you will see the remains of this project. I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.